Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install Yacine TV on your Android TV in just simple steps. Let's dive in. Firstly, grab your remote and navigate to the apps menu. Click on it to open all the installed apps. Now open the Google Play Store and search for Downloader by AFTV. Once you find it, click Install the app. It will help us download the Yacine TV APK file. After installing Downloader, we need to allow unknown sources. If you already did that, okay. If not, go to Settings, Security and Restrictions, select Unknown Resources, and find Downloader and target it on. Now, let's install Yacine TV. Open the Downloader app and in the URL box, type yacinetv.downloads/assets/Yacine TV v3 APK. Click Download, and once the download is complete, click Install. Give it a few seconds and Yacine TV is now installed on your Android TV. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.